Check it out.
Yeah. That's so good.
I might be wearing them soon. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to start getting ready for Halloween, so I have a fun few things to make with you. These are going to be little hanging ghosts. They're made out of egg carton, so if you eat eggs or you have neighbors who eat eggs, see if you can get some of their old cartons. When I was little, Halloween was really big in our house because my parents were married on Halloween and they always made it really special. And one of the things my mom did was have ghosts hanging from our porch, from the overhang on our porch, and they were made out of Dum Dum lollipops wrapped in tissues, but we're going to make them out of these today. So if you have an egg carton, you can start by snipping it. Sometimes I like to use our cardboard scissors, especially if I'm going to snip all of the egg carton for a project. I may just do that, but right now I'm going to just get to the tall part that we need. I'm going to snip all the way around. But now, do you see how it sort of looks like it could be a ghost once it's white? I'm going to trim off a little bit of it and then take some white paint. I'm not even going to pour any out because I'm going to use this again for something else. So I'm just going to dip my paintbrush in and paint the whole thing.
Is it acrylic paint?
It is acrylic. I'm using acrylic. I don't think that it matters. I'm using acrylic. Yeah, I'm using acrylic.
Yes.
So I'm going to paint the inside like this by just putting my whole brush in there like this. There's so many things you can do with egg carton. It's so fun.
Yes.
This one I really like. And then I have to, oops, I missed that whole side. And then I'm going to have to let this dry for a while. So I'm going to set it here in the lid of the egg carton.
Handy.
I know, I thought that was sort of handy. And then I'm going to wipe my fingers in there too because I did not bring in a paper towel. And I'm going to let that dry. And then I'll show you what I did over here. So I used a Sharpie pen on this one, but it's sort of hard to use on paint. And then I remembered that we had these acrylic pens, so I'm going to use that. So you could use a Sharpie. I'm going to use this acrylic pen to make eyeballs.
Could you also use a tiny brush and some black paint?
Yes, you could.
Okay.
It's kind of amazing. You can do so many different things.
Oh.
But now, ooh, like this. And then you can use anything to hang it up with. This was sitting here next to me, so this is why I'm using it. This is some wire that's wrapped in paper, but I was thinking I probably would want to use string or some yarn, but because this was here, I'm using this. I'm going to cut it. And now most of these have holes already built in on the top. This one did not have a hole built in. I don't know why, but it didn't. So I'm going to put this in because I want it to be a loop. I'm going to push it all the way through so I can twist this one or tie it in a knot if it's string.
Is it an individual ghost or is it going on a...
It's an individual ghost right now. I was thinking that I could just have a bunch of them hanging.
Oh, yeah.
Like if I used a whole egg carton, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ghosts from there. But maybe if I'd been saving for a while, I could make 20 ghosts if I really wanted to. And they could be all hanging and moving like this. Ooh. Ready for Halloween.
I feel like you could make earrings out of them too.
Oh, I could make earrings. There, I'll just do this loop like this. Check it out.
Yeah. That's so good.
I might be wearing them soon. What do you think? All right. Thanks everyone for coming. Remember, if you're looking for some decorations that you can just make with stuff you have at home, a simple egg carton and some paint and some string, and there you go. Ghosts. All right. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time. Bye.